Hi there guys, today's video is going to be about my Fab Table. I get a lot of questions about it, so I'm going to do a little tour of it. Excuse the mess, I've been extremely busy lately, so I haven't had any time to straighten up. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Okay, this is my shop table. It's a 1/2 inch plate, 5 foot across by 10 foot long. It's great for doing handrails. It's all, the legs are made out of I-beam. And I have these casters on here, but I had to put these leveling jacks on here to level it out. Underneath it, it's all I-beam, 4-inch. Also made these little extension arms out of channel, 4-inch. I added this bar to hold all my clamps. Right now it's kind of a catch-all underneath here. I do art projects and stuff, so I have to save a lot of little bits and ends of stuff. Underneath here I got a bunch of plate. I need to organize, but it is what it is. This is a real working shop. Over here for my MIG gun, I welded a little piece of pipe. Goes something like this. Over here, I added this little plate so I can attach my, or use my, put my MIG pliers there, if I can find them. As you can tell, I never use it. But yeah, I added these magnets here to this plate so I can slap my MIG pliers on there. So I can always have my MIG pliers handy. But I really never use it, so it is what it is. This table is pretty flat, as you can see. I usually lay out about 4 inches in, and I know I'm dead nuts flat across the rest, 4 inches in. This edge right here is down maybe a 1/16 of an inch, but a light 1/16. I like to be as accurate as possible. So yeah, that's my table. Oh yeah, the next video, I have all this metal right here. It's going to be a modern railing at a residential house. I will be making a video on this too, so if you haven't liked or subscribed yet, please do. I'm going to be doing tips videos on laying out handrails, stair rails. If I get some more stairs, I'll do videos for stairs. And here's another job I have for some pipe railing. I'll also add that into some videos. So yeah, just wanted to make a quick video of what my shop table's like. Like I said before, guys, I'll have full build videos on these railing jobs I have coming up, and that's going to take a while to process because I want to make it a full-length video where you see the finished product after it's been powder coated, installed, and all that. So it's going to be a long process. I'm going to do some quick little videos like this to fill in weeks, so I keep up with posting at least once a week. But like I said, if you guys want to see content like that and you're interested in welding and metal fabrication, metal shop talk with tools and things like that, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting at least once a week, even if it's a little video like this just showing my shop table. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.